G'day guys, Wes from Unsealed. Really quick way to install your UHF. Here we go. So, what you've got to do, first things first, your aerial. What you want to do, bolt your aerial up. Make sure you run this nut along the cable before you run the cable through the everything, because it's not fun doing it twice. I know from experience. Next thing, what you'll have is your wiring here, which comes with the UHF unit. I've run mine back to the battery simply so I can have the UHF powered up while the car is off, the keys are out, so I don't have to have the car running or an accessory, etc. if I'm listening to one of the guys when they're out at camp. So I can listen to them from camp with the car turned off, no problem. So make sure you put a fuse in. Fuse, always do this, okay? Once you've done that, I'm just going to tuck this out of the way for the moment. Don't get me wrong, I've still got to put some spaghetti tubing on it. But from there, what we've done is we've run it down through the back here, followed the wiring harness across, and come through the grommet on the factory harness. Okay, there's a nice little hole there. I've run both the aerial cable and the wiring and some other wiring through the hole in the grommet there. Okay, from there, and this is where it helps to have really little kids that have got really tiny little hands that can get in there. Way up under there, it comes through the firewall. Sometimes you've got to pull the glove box out. I had to be able to get at it. And then interestingly enough, on the HiLux, I have this beautiful little tray, all right, that I can put the unit, run to the connector for the handset, and that, oh, pops, should, by rights, pop back up into there, and we're done. And then the cable comes through, and there is our beautiful little UHF, all right. It's the XRS, all the controls are there. It's absolutely amazing, especially with the app. I will be doing a full review on this, but this is just to get it installed to start with. It's still got the cover on it, that's how new this thing is. So, funnily enough, I leave them there just a little bit more protection until it's absolutely rallied. You can see there's a couple of marks here already. So, that is how you run a UHF. Really simple, really quick. Do it properly, do it once. Before you actually do it, I would suggest you grab a beer, stand against the side of the shed, think about how you're going to do it, because running wires twice is not fun. But that's it, guys. Like I said, cable, fuse, through the firewall, find somewhere you can mount it. The XRS is great in that it's got a little unit that's this big that you can hide anywhere, and run your handset out onto your dash. Interesting enough, with the HiLux, there is not really anywhere that I can put the handset. Everything's curved. I'm not a huge fan of drilling holes, so while it's sitting just down there, funnily enough, it actually bounces really well off the bottom of the dash, so I can hear it really well. So there you go, how to install a UHF in 3 minutes.